GL Homes has done it again. They have brought their fabulous Valencia active adult communities to Naples again in the new community called Valencia Sky. This community is going to be amazing, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek at the furnished models. This channel focuses on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying or selling or just have real estate questions, call or text me at 239-450-5786. GL Homes has figured out the active adult luxury community. Here in Naples, the Valencia Trail community was an absolute success. And recently they had a grand opening at their new community called Valencia Sky. Recently, I took a tour of their furnished models, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek look at these models. This community is centrally located, close to the beaches, close to downtown Naples, and convenient to Marco Island. This community is definitely one that, if you're looking for active adult lifestyle, is one you want to check out. Valencia Sky is going to feature 574 homes on 192 acres. There's no CDD, and the HOA fee will begin at $599 per month. Like all of their Valencia communities, the amenities at Valencia Sky are going to be amazing. Now, making the community wait for the main amenities complex to be completed, GL Homes has decided to phase in the amenities over the next 2 years, with the first quarter of 2026, a temporary clubhouse being built with card rooms and fitness center. By midway through 2026, the Racket Club will be open with 9 lighted pickleball courts, 3 lighted tennis courts, and 4 bocce courts for your enjoyment. By the first or second quarter of 2027, they are targeting to have the full amenity complex done. Almost 6 acres of amenities, 35,000 square foot clubhouse with all the amenities, multiple pools, in-ground hot tub, poolside bar, and much more. If you are considering a home purchase in Southwest Florida, give me a call today, 239-450-5786. If you are considering a home purchase in Southwest Florida, give me a call today, 239-450-5786. I hope you enjoyed your sneak peek tour of the models at Valencia Sky. If you'd like more information about the community, click the link below or call or text me at 239-450-5786. If you're not sure active adult community is for you, let's have a conversation and we can discuss all of the amazing opportunities here in Southwest Florida. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified about future videos. Thank you for watching.